5 times because I know adding 5 times is the same by multiplying by 5, same thing. So I multiply both these by 5 and I get 5a plus 10. This process here is called what when I do that to the bracket? Expanding, yes, very good. Expanding. What's it called when I have this and I want to go back and divide both by 5? Factorising, yes. A few of you seemed a little thrown off about that in the formative we did. So let's say we have a brand new question here and you want to factorize something. Factorize 3x plus 6. What's my first step? I think what divides it, what's a factor of both these? And I need the highest common factor of both these. And that goes here. The highest common factor goes in front of the bracket. It is 3 because 3 divides into this and this. You can think about the opposite way. What multiplies to make this correct then? X times 3 gives 3x and 3 times 2 gives 6. So 3 can divide into both of these numbers. Yeah? Let's do another one. Let's factorize this. What's my common factor to both these? Just think of the numbers. Ignore the a for the moment. 5, yeah. So 5 will be outside the bracket. That's the highest common factor. What remains?
3.
My first term. Yeah, I think what 5 times what gives this? 3a. And 5 times 5 gives 25. So it would multiply back to give what I want. Sometimes we can have a letter in common. So if we have something like 16xy minus 16x. Yeah, okay, we have two terms here. We're going to have brackets. What's going to be outside here? What's the highest common factor?
16x.
Yeah. 4 is a factor, but it's not the highest common one. 8 is a factor, but not the highest common one. 16 divides into both. 16 divides into both. 1 would work, but 1 would always work, therefore it's unnecessary. And x, if there's a letter in common in both, I can take it out as well. What am I left behind? Yes, so this times y would be that, and this times, is it just leave it blank? Second bit?
No, minus.
No, yeah, it'd have to multiply back, not x. No, not x. 16x times x would be 16x squared. 16x times 1 would leave me with 16x. So I could test, multiply this again. What's 16x times y? Well, if it's just 16xy. And what's 16x times itself once? It's just 16x. And it's a minus. There's nothing to change the sign, so 16x. Okay, let's do one last one, and then we'll get your scores from the starter. Let's make it even more tricky. Let's say 32a squared b plus 8b. Well, we can see the letter B is in common to both. Can I put an A out as well?
No.
No, it's got to be in both for it to factorize, to divide. So B can go outside. What number goes outside? 8. What's left here? Just A squared?
32 as well.
Well, it's got to make 32, and this multiplies by this.
4.
Because 4 times 8 makes it 32, and A squared times B makes A squared B. Yeah, that's right. Plus what?
1.
Plus 1 again, yes. 1 times 8b makes that. Okay, so that's factorizing. You can always test factorizing because you always can expand. You can just multiply this bracket again to undo it, and we'll test to see if it works. 8 times 4 gives 32. ba squared is just a squared b. I usually just put them in alphabetical order. A before is b's, but either way around would work. And 8b times 1 is just 8b, so it's the same. So you can always test. When you factorize, just test your answer works. Multiply it out again, and you should get it. Okay, I will get your scores